channel What If Canada.
Follow us on Instagram, Spice Tales and Charismatic Foodie.
Yay! So today we are here. We are going for a trek. So we are going to Earlsdale Park. So before we reach the park, this is the trek which we will be following. So I think it's a 20-25 minute trek.
So you guys come along. Follow us.
So we have an amazing weather today. It's 26 degrees and we're gonna explore this trek and head towards Earlsdale Park. And we have our friends Charismatic Foodie and Spice Tales with us. Say hi guys.
Hi!
Kitni baar?
Again, hi. So as you can see, we have an amazing trail here inside the forest. A lot of trees around, whole greenery. So it's like an epic trail to explore. And let's go. So as we see, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे logs कटे हुए हैं. We are walking just between the forest, and you see here.
And there's a bridge.
So Canada में summer is all about trekking and picnics, and that is what we are here for today with our friends. It's a good summer day. Sun has gone down and now it's just beautiful weather.
So as you can see, we are on a
Exploring.
bridge and
Yes.
enjoying.
Yes. And what are you doing?
I'm trying to
Overreacting?
I'm balancing.
You're just trying to.
I'm just trying to balance myself.
Falling from anywhere. Okay?
अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे इसकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्लोप है and it's a scary thing as well. Sherry is really scared of heights.
Everything. मुझे बहुत scary है यार.
Hi.
So as you see, यहाँ पर woods कटे हुए हैं. So usually during rains and all, जो weak trees होते हैं वो they tend to fall down. And यहाँ पे winds का भी velocity काफ़ी तेज़ रहती है. So due to which the trees tend to fall down. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful, huh? So the best part about Canada is कि यहाँ पर 3-4 महीने जो like proper summer या spring कह लो and towards fall, those are the best times wherein people tend to explore different places and treks and all के लिए भी ये best है, and going to the beaches as well. So that's what we are doing as well.
ये वाला जो trek is not the usual one because this is more of a man-made trek, because if you see then this way has been made for trekking. बीच बीच में कुछ कुछ पार्ट आते हैं where logs लगाई गई हैं और थोड़ा difficulty level increase किया गया है so that you know everybody enjoys the trekking part of the trail.
थोड़ा firm grip बना के चलो.
Okay.
So this is the scary part. यार आप पकड़ो, मुझसे ना हो पाएगा. आप जाओ, मैं अकेले आऊंगी. No, 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 please. Go.
Look at this valley. Sherry finally made it to the top. The best part about this is कि ये ऊपर नीचे दोनों तरफ से झूलती रहती है ये valley, and that's what I love about this trek. Would you like to come to this trek, huh? Just comment us in the section below whether you are liking the trek or not. It's just beautiful. ये जो markings हैं basically टीका जैसे कहेंगे. My friends अभी पूछते हैं ये टीका क्यों लगा हुआ है. It's not a टीका. Basically ये markings की जाती हैं so that we don't get lost during the process, and especially during night ये markings बहुत help करती हैं so that कोई रास्ता ना भटक जाए. So if you see our friend वहाँ पर अकेला जा रहा है and he has all the girls left behind. Girls पीछे आ रही हैं and हम आगे आगे चल रहे हैं. So now I'm gonna show you a really interesting area for bikers कह लो या cycling वाले कह लो. So यहाँ पर ये लोग stunt करते हैं. He's gonna attempt something. Let's see. Oh, nice one.
What's your...
Hey.
Guys, you see, this is a shovel. Okay? Show them the shovel. Excuse me, vlogger, show them the shovel.
Yeah, I will. Just give me a moment.
So you show him the shovel. बिल्कुल barbecue वाला weather.
So, as a friend is also saying इतना अच्छा weather है and barbecue season भी दिख रहा है वहाँ पर
I
लोग.
wish that you guys could smell because it's smelling so smoky and tasty right now.
Yeah.
However, it's other people's barbecue, so yeah, we are not gonna get nosy. We have our own meal.
हम खुद भी kebabs बना के लाए हैं. So we're not gonna disturb them at all and let them enjoy and we're gonna enjoy as well. So the really good thing that we're gonna show you here is यहाँ पर dogs के लिए एक specific area है where we're gonna take you guys. I'm gonna show you lot of different dogs. Let me zoom. So Sherry is back again.
Guys, I was live on my Instagram. Oh, this is the best part of the park. I mean, Siddharth is a fan and we used to come here every Sunday during quarantine. So this is a dog park and if you see, there are so many dogs here. You are only allowed if you have a dog, and what happens is you can unleash your dogs here and then they play together with them, so it's like a dog park. See, मेरी असलियत ये, I can just show it to you on camera.
Sherry is really scared of dogs. I love dogs,
And
but
I am also very scared of dogs.
You scared of dogs?
Yeah, very much.
Oh, you are my team always.
इनको बचपन में dogs ने काटा होगा इसलिए that's why these guys
हाँ
are
मुझे
scared.
काटा था. Look at this one. Hi cutie. Oh, he's my favorite, guys. यार look at this one. यार ये तो बहुत ही प्यारा है यार. Oh. So it's been 15 minutes. We've been standing here and just looking at these dogs.
चले हम 7 o'clock हो रहे हैं so let's go.
Finally.
सारा टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे.
मैम आपका मन भर गया?
I want to go in.
So you need to have a dog
Why?
because that's the rule of the game.
Seriously?
Yeah. So if you have a dog,
What if I am a dog?
मैम लेट्स गो मैम. मैम आपको हम बहुत देर कैमरा में नहीं रख सकते हैं आपका.
असली चेहरे
या सो फाइनली हम पहुंचने वाले हैं पार्क. हम ऐसा बोल रहे हैं पिछले 10 मिनट से बट हम पहुंचने वाले हैं अब.
As I'm going. Slow mo देखना guys, बिना slow mo के. तुम कहाँ थी अब तक? तुमको ढूंढ रही थी किरण. किरण का कौन है? बिछड़ी हुई बहन. किरण का राज होता है कौन? नहीं सिमरन का होता है. किरण का कौन है? किरण वाला राज ही होता है. नहीं,
अर्जुन.
वो करण का है. यार मुझे नहीं पता.
इट्स अर्जुन.
अरे वो करण का है.
गाइस हमें कमेंट्स में बताना जरा.
Comment down below. And also like, share, subscribe.
Shani, this is the unhealthy. I'll just show you the healthy part. ये लोग हमसे 1 किलोमीटर आगे चल रहे हैं और हम पीछे होके भी हमारी सांस. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं बट बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग हम खाना खाएंगे गाइस. हमने पूरा दिन मेहनत करके खाना बनाया है. हरा भरा कबाब, सीख कबाब एंड फाइनली उसको एंजॉय करने का टाइम आ गया है. hold this now. I'll also play.
ये थोड़ा अलग तरीके का स्टेप हुआ.
Okay, 1, 2.
No, you have to.
Guys, so some things we're not gonna talk about in this vlog ever. They
First
are
is
COVID, religion, racism, and gender and height. Okay, because I'm short. Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Guys, there's gonna be a dance performance for you all here.
वैसे ये हंसी वादियाँ होता है वैसे।
हम कहाँ ऐ मेरी सजना
Woohoo! Woohoo!
गली खिल गई,
हमको तुम जो मिले तो
हंसी मिल गई,
हंसी मिल गई.
जो भी हाँ।
जाने
जा तुम हो कहाँ? हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आइसक्रीम पी लो।
अब हमने खाना खा लिया है और अब हम मस्त चिल करने वाले हैं यहाँ पार्क में. एंड डिड वी शो यू दीज सो खाना खा के क्या मजे आ गए? हाँ, आर यू हैप्पी मिस्टर खन्ना?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed our little picnic we had this weekend. Stay tuned while we explore more beautiful places in Canada. Make sure you have liked and subscribed to our channel. Bye bye.